We had our lunch or boodle fight at Manlawi Sandbar on our second day. Manlawi is still a part of Caramoan Group of Islets Camarines Sur. This is a 3 days, 2 nights trip for joiners. It costs 5,388 pesos per head with full board meal package. This includes 6 sumptuous semi-buffet meals, 3 viands per meal, seafoods, meat, veggies, desserts, and coffee. We added 300 pesos per head for full upgrade of our buffet meals in Manlawi. May kasama na siyang coconut at additional fish, liempo, and other seafoods. So the meals included for this trip are lunch and dinner for day 1, breakfast, lunch and dinner for day 2, and breakfast for day 3. Alam nyo guys, all-out effort at sobrang tiyaga talaga nito ni Kuya Tour Guide na nag-assist din sa amin para i-prepare yung lunch namin kasi inisa-isa niyang i-mold yung lettering ng Caramoan, Sea Turtle at Lighthouse. O diba artistic? Napakaraming kubo dito at dinesign talaga to float during high tide at the same time para ma-enjoy ng mga pumupunta dito yung malawak na sandbar. Sabi ng mga taga rito, halos 1 kilometro daw yung lawak ng sandbar na to. Medyo umaambon na nung dumating kami dito. Halos mahigit 1 oras din yata piniprepare ni Kuya yung lunch. Kaya ang haba ng free time namin dito for videos and taking pictures. Bonding time na rin namin to para sa aming mga joiners. By the way guys, we did our lunch or boodle fight here in Floating Cottage. Sobrang sipag ng tour guide na nag-asikaso sa amin at for only 300 pesos additional fee, upgraded na yung meal. Sila na ang bahalang mag-add ng coconut, liempo, special laing, and other seafood. Mapapansin nyo rin sa tabi ng cottage na to, meron pang ibang mga boat, bali parang tindahan po yan. Pwede rin kayong bumili ng soft drinks, alak, and other beverages. Na-enjoy talaga namin yung lunchtime namin dito kasi it was low tide. At the same time, pwede kang maglakad-lakad and take selfies for your me time. Medyo black ang kulay ng sand dito sa Manlawi, unlike with some other islands that we've been through, like Lahos and Matukad, that has white sand, and Cotigas, which has golden brown sand. Sabi ng tour guide namin, prominent din daw tong Manlawi Sandbar kasi vanishing sandbar siya at na-expose lang of course kapag low tide, tulad din sa ibang mga sandbar dito sa Pilipinas. Yung mga bangkero dito, alam nila na exactly 12 o'clock ng tanghali, doon makikita yung lawak ng sandbar na to. Kaya pala naging perfect spot to kasi sakto sa lunchtime yung ganda ng view habang nanananghalian kayo. Sarap magpahinga dito guys. Promise, ang sarap ng feeling after snorkeling at island hopping. Habang naghihintay kami ng high tide at 1 o'clock or 1:30 PM, sinamantala ko muna na lumayo ng konti sa cottage namin. Kasi naman curious ako kung ano yung feeling na mag-walking sa part ng sandbar banda dito. Pag nasa ganitong lugar ka talaga, matagal hintayin ng 1 oras, diba guys? By the way guys, hindi lang pala boodle fight ang may enjoy nyo dito sa Caramoan. For me, it was also an interesting experience na makapag-food trip sa mga specialties nila like silly ice cream and sea urchin.